Well, we're inside the tank. We got our plastic liner put up. We got all the framing done. The hole you see over there is the overflow. We gotta put a screen on that yet. And caulk around the outside, seal it up completely. The liner's in. This is our float. What this does is take the ball, and the ball will float, and it puts your suction about 12, 16 inches below the water line. That's where you want it to go. We put a post in the middle to support it. Inside that post is a metal rod, metal pipe, so it's nice and sturdy. It's not going nowhere. But other than that, a little bit caulking outside, and we're ready to fill the water. Here's our inlet right here. It's got silicone over it so it won't leak. And with our poly in here, we're going to have a nice little tank. The ladder's not going to stay. We'll take that out. We've got the ladder out. We're getting ready to close the hatch. We probably won't open this or clean it for a year or two. Depends on how the water filters are cleaning. If they start getting real dirty, we'll have to get in here and vacuum it out. Otherwise, we have no plans to clean it very often. There is our vent. I don't know if you can see it, but at the end of the 190 there's a little piece sticking out. I've got 2 pieces of screening in there for ventilation and not let the bugs in. The lid's on, are ready to go. All we have to do is tomorrow morning when it's cool, we'll get up here and caulk all the seams so we don't get any water penetration. Today I'm going to finish up part of this roof. What we're going to do is we got to caulk all these seams to prevent any water penetration around our vent, and we're going to spray paint the vent so it's green. That's just so we can prevent any water penetration. We don't want it to run through the wood and onto the into the water.
We got it.
I pre-drilled this hole the other day. This is where the fill pipe's going to go. I put this little cap in there to keep things out. Okay, so we'll fit down just like that. And we'll caulk all that in. We need to see where it goes over here. So we can tie our 90 in. That should be close. Okay, we need to go cut that. I've cut the pipe. I put the 90 degree on the end. And that's just how it's going to fit. And what I'm going to do now is just caulk it in so it doesn't leak. We'll let that sit up overnight, and tomorrow we can paint it. I'm not going to attach to that down pipe yet. I still got to come out and stucco the whole tank, so I don't want to have to deal with that while I'm stucco. Once all the seams dry, we'll get up here in a day or two and go over it to see if any of them are still exposed. So if they are, we'll caulk them again. Well, the tank is getting close, real close. Next week, probably Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to start stuccoing the outside. It's supposed to rain here through the weekend, and so we can't do that. I'll get my materials, come back out, we'll get the rest of this stuff tank stuccoed, and then we'll paint it with some waterproof paint, and then it will turn out, we're going to paint it the same color as the house. Like and subscribe, make a comment, we always appreciate it. Thanks for watching.